Hi, this is Julia. I'm going to show you how to do French knots. Sometimes when you're starting out, they can be a little complicated. So you're going to take 2 strands of embroidery floss and tie a knot in the end after you've threaded it through your needle. There's your knot in the end. And then you're ready to go. You're going to come up from the back of your fabric, pull your needle through until you feel the knot catch. And you're going to wrap the thread twice around the needle, holding it with your finger and thumb, and then you're going to send it back through a hole very near to where you came up. I hold it with my thumb like that, and then use my other hand to pull through gently. Once you get almost to the end, you can let go and then gently pull. Don't pull really hard or you'll just pull the whole knot through the fabric. So let's do that again. You're going to come up through the fabric, and it's a little awkward because you have to keep putting it down. You're going to wrap it twice around the needle, send it back through a hole right near the hole you came through, and then holding it, then just at the end let go, and you have a lovely knot. Now you can also do a 1 wrap knot. Sometimes I like to do those, especially in trees and things like that, as you're getting nearer to the edge and you want to create a little definition. So you just do the same thing but with 1, send it back through, and just be extra gentle because there's only 1. It's going to be a smaller knot, so it's much easier to pull it straight through the fabric. So just be very gentle as you pull through. Now I'd say the main mistakes that get made and can cause frustration is that you go back down through the same hole, so then of course that pulls it through, or sometimes on the back where you've made a knot to start off, when you go back through that first one, sometimes the needle will catch the knot underneath and then you just end up with a big knot on the back. So just start again if that happens. And that's it, I think. We'll do 1 more. So up through, wrap twice, back down a hole right near the one you started, pull through gently, let go at the end, and you have a French knot. I hope you have fun with them.